Hey, Dan is going to tell us about website maintenance.
Yeah.
What is that, Dan? Is that maintaining their website? What is that?
I will tell you this product is very interesting because if we're doing a lead gen project,
Yes.
where we're not rebuilding your website, but we're just basically building out lead generation to your current site. Maybe you love your site. Maybe we even say your site. I mean, that happens. We're like, your site's absolutely gorgeous. It needs nothing, but it doesn't have enough substance.
Okay. Yeah.
But after we're done with the lead gen, you might come back and say, hey, can you guys just also maintain our website? We don't really have a relationship with our other web developer anymore. That's one way that website maintenance happens.
Okay.
And we'll sell you on hours. Yeah, we can maintain it at 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours a month, roughly in that.
And just real quickly, what is maintaining? What aspects?
So maintaining is we basically will take over the hosting. We make sure that all the security patches are updated, all the plugins are updated. On the server side, we make sure that the server software is updated. Any kind of security holes that might happen there, we make sure all your ports are closed. Now I'm getting kind of geeky. Okay. Firewalls, we have dual firewalls. We have hardware firewalls and software firewalls. There's a difference between those two.
All right, my head's spinning already. I don't know about yours, but that's a lot of stuff.
For all those techies
you gotta
out
worry
there,
about,
all those techies out there, like, because actually we host IT firms, believe it or not. So if we can host IT firms,
that's kind of a mark of approval. Then,
yeah, and we host some pretty big IT firms right here in Cleveland. But for all you IT junkies out there, we'll close every single port, and that's all you need to know. They'll understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
But roughly, getting back to the website maintenance, where we see another area where we see you might enter is you just don't actually have a web developer anymore. They built your website, you're an orphan, right? You're orphaned. I don't even know, like, they don't call me back, or they did this as a part-time job, they got a full-time job, and now I don't have a web. I just want to have a company because we're a big company, and I kind of feel like, it could break at any moment in time. We're great. This product is actually perfect for that. We can inherit your website, help you guys manage it, keep it up to date, and then kind of grow you from there.
So worry not. You got Virteom here.
Yeah.
They'll take care of your website.
We have to help you guys. Take care.